Well, it's not a great day for riding today, but the new Campbell muffler is pretty nice. It looks nice, but it's slowed down my bike a lot. I have no real red line anymore, and we're gonna have to get home and fix that, I think, by punching a hole or two in it, because it just dies when I get up to about 5,000 RPM now. It won't howl up to 6 or so, or 5,800. So a little bit slower off the line with the Campbell muffler, and the restriction it has added. I don't think that my denting has infected it too much, but so we're here at the boat. It's raining out. Still have to go. Granville Public Market is over there. Very famous place, and downtown is over there. So we're just on the other side of the inlet, and we're working on this ridiculous huge boat here. Very nice boat, but it's pretty difficult to redo hosing and plumbing when the fiberglass is built around the original hosing and plumbing, which Bayliners seem to do. Anyways, have a good day, guys, and we'll show you a picture of the bike running now. Probably wear a gas mask while grinding away that. It's not coming out. Plan 2. I doubt this is going to help. And we're going to put on the Harley pipe again, I think. I'm getting a new one tomorrow from a friend who's donating a bullet pipe from a Harley. Sorry about that camera there, guys. Drill. Live and unedited. Are we still on the pipe there? Yeah. Okay. I still have an exhaust leak, so we're going to have to fix that as well. Continue tuning a bike, and we put a couple of holes in the actual tube that exits now.